Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, just like yesterday, we have a mixed trend. Triple Q, Tesla and SPY gapping down. Was on a clear downtrend, but now looks like it's curling back up. Not expecting any major price action today. Ideally, I would like SPY to break the pre-market lows, make new lows, and then give me a rebound. Going into market open, I'm more bearish than bullish, but I'll see how both SPY and Triple Q reacts and then define my trades based on that. We do have over 25 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching SPY. SPY holding up. Trying to get in around 4. Got in. $350. Yep, I'm in. Giving it some time. Got in around 250. Goes above this, I'm getting out. Giving it some time. If it makes a new high, then I'm getting out. Doesn't look good. But I do have an exit plan. Not in a hurry to get out. I do have one order around 340. Yep. Another at 360. I'm just holding one. Give me a little more. Yep, I'm out. I'm slowly trying to step up. That's why you could see me getting aggressive with my ads. On my last trade, I was a bit hesitant over here because SPY could probably bounce from yesterday's closing price, but SPY did not have the strength to bounce. So it did a fake bounce and then it just came all over. Now it's going. It's almost $1 away from my exit price now, but I never knew this was coming. Like, what would have happened if SPY decided to bounce? So I had to lighten the load, but it is what it is. You cannot always have that perfect timing. I think I'll be happy with my modest gains. I don't want to overtrade and give back my profits. So I'll wrap it up and call it a day. An okay day of trading, making over $66 in less than 30 minutes. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basis and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.